Yes, good morning, one and all. Our next video is what are the varieties of problems occurred in curved beams. Whenever the problem is given, first is see identify the type of curved beam. Identify the type of curved beam and its dimension. Then later identify its cross section and its dimension of the cross section. And what is the load acting on the curved beam, whether it is an external eccentric load or bending moment, and material composition. So there are four varieties of problems you can see in the curve beam. First our aim is to determine stresses induced in the critical cross section of the curve beam. Now all these data are given. Determine only the stresses induced in the critical cross section beam. What are the stresses induced? One is maybe a direct stress, bending stress at inner fiber and outer fiber, and combined stress at inner and outer fiber, and stress distribution. Already we know we solved this type of problem in the previous two problems, right? Then determining second variety of problem is determining maximum load carrying capacity by the curved beam, that is F value. No, F value is not given. If F value is not given, what value is given here? The allowable or maximum stress is given in the problem. From this you calculate the F value. The third variety of problem is determining the cross-section dimension and other dimensions of the given curve beam. Cross-section dimension means the base is a rectangular cross-section. It may be a breadth, a trapezoidal cross-section, bi, b naught, a thickness, and if circular cross-section, it may be diameter, and also other dimensions are radius of the inner and outer fibers. This is the third variety of problem. Then fourth one is in the problem, if both extreme fiber stresses are numerically equal in pure bending moment, if both extreme fiber stresses are numerically equal in pure bending moment is given, then take bending stress at inner fiber is equal to bending stress at outer fiber. What is bending stress in inner fiber is sigma bi, that is equal to bending stress at outer fiber sigma b naught. Then mb by ae into ci by ri is equal to mb by ae into c naught by r naught. Don't consider this negative sign here. Now you'll get from ci in terms of c naught, will get here from the above equation it will get ci in terms of c naught. Then solve the problem. How do we solve this one? From the given data is given ci plus c naught is given, is known in the problem, is known, this value is given in the problem, or is by cross section you can take this value. Now after by comparing equation 1 and 2 we will get ci and c naught values, then determine the other dimensions of the curved beam r and r naught. Then another variety of problem, in the problem is given the material of the beam is given, then refer the chapter 1 in data and book. It may be a cast iron or steel, something of the metal is given, then you refer the chapter 1 in data and book. Take is a heel strength and ultimate strength based on the type of metal is given. Take it as a the maximum in the beam, maximum stress in the beam, and then solve it. Second one, if directly allowable stress is given in the problem, then take it as maximum stresses induced. The last variety of problem is if factor of safety is given, then we know the factor of safety is equal to failure stress by allowable stress. The failure stress, it may be heel stress or ultimate stress, then allowable stress. Then calculate allowable stress. This formula is used. Then take allowable stress as a maximum. Then solve the problem. These are the four varieties of problem. One is determining the stresses induced in the beam. Second one is determining the load carrying capacity. Always take the load carrying capacity is a lesser value, not the maximum value. Dimension, then determine the cross section dimension, always determine the cross section dimension should be larger value. Then in the problem some variety of other conditions is given. This is how to solve the problem, right? Thank you for watching this video, and also you solve the varieties of problem. If you come across any doubts, just you contact me. Either you may give a call or in WhatsApp number. You just give a RR is the question. Thank you, one and all.